Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on how to draw a cartoon. And today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create this cute little envelope. Alright, so if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. What I always want you to use is your imagination. So right now, look around in any one of the areas in your room right now and see if you could pick up something of interest that you could turn into a cute little cartoon like this little envelope. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you didn't, there's that little button down there. That's it. All you have to do is click it. And you can subscribe to all my YouTube channels and see all my fun videos and the upcoming ones, of course. Anyway, so, well, I appreciate you watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.